Hey guys, Brad with Family Handyman. If you're looking for a random orbit sander, but it's not something that you use a lot, and so you don't want to spend $100 or more, the Ryobi RS290G could be just the ticket for you. Let me tell you why. So this is a bare bones model. It's a corded version, so you don't have to deal with expensive batteries or recharge. You've always got power. I also like that it's lightweight and easy to handle. It's got a good, secure grip surface on it, and there's a dust bag, or you can hook up your shop vac to that port if you really want good dust collection. And it uses standard hook and loop sanding discs. The one thing it doesn't have that a lot more expensive sanders do is variable speed, but I haven't found that to be much of an issue. I've been using this thing for the last 4 months or so, and I'm completely satisfied. So if you're looking for a good, basic sander without breaking the bank, the Ryobi RS290G is Family Handyman approved. To see more products and tools we've tested and approved, visit us at familyhandyman.com.